Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best snowboard wall racks that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the OTOLAND 5 pairs of ski rack for garage. If you are searching for a pocket-friendly ski rack, the OTOLAND Snowboard Wall Rack is the best choice for you. It is a heavy-duty snowboard ski rack made of durable steel to resist chipping, cracking, and rusting. This rack can hold equipment up to 300 lbs in weight and comes with double hooks to store other items, including helmet, poles, bag, skis, and other gears. Typically, this ski rack has rubber-coated sleeves that are scratch-resistant and offer great protection to your ski gear. The rack will securely display and hold your skis such as freestyle, racing, backcountry, mountain, and other types of skis. What's more, it comes in 48 inches total, 2 racks, each 24 inches, and hooks can be clicked to the rack at any position you need. Whether at the garden, garage, home, or commercial display, this ski rack is ideal for organizing all kinds of tools, including umbrellas, towels, bags, push brooms, rain boots, etc. Moving on at number 4, we have the Ultrawall Ski Snowboard Storage Rack Wall Mount Shelves Storage Hanger. Ultrawall is a reputable brand when it comes to manufacturing high-quality wall-mounted ski racks. This 5 pairs ski capacity snowboard rack is suitable for most snowboards and ski poles and other things you need to hang. This rack is made from powder-coated steel materials that are anti-scratch and anti-rust. Moreover, the shelves are powder-coated to offer corrosion resistance in dry environments. You can use this storage rack to store downhill skis, slalom skis, twin-tip skis, powder skis, racing skis, and all mountain skis. Moreover, you can easily attach this storage rack to the stone wall or wooden wall, and it is included with all the mounting hardware. This product is offered with a 30-day full money-back. At number 3, we have the RaxGo Skis and Skiing Wall Rack for garage and home storage. The RaxGo Skiing Wall Rack will display your best skis in the best way possible while free up floor space. Ideally, this wall rack can store up and organize up to 5 skis pairs with a maximum capacity of 300 pounds. In addition to that, this rack is made from powder-coated steel materials that will last for many years since it is resistant to warping, cracking, chipping, and rusting. Mounting this skiing wall rack is very simple as it is provided with an instruction guide and all necessary hardware. The rack has a 300 pounds maximum weight capacity. This makes it perfect for storing ski equipment in your storage locker, mudroom, cabin, shed, garage, attic, or rec room. The main rail is constructed from heavy-duty steel materials with a dry powder-coated finish, making it resistant to warping, cracking, chipping, and rusting. At number 2, we have the Wealers Wall-Mounted Rack Organizer. Designed for persons who want to keep their skateboards and other boards, the Wealers wall-mounted rack will provide a great organization for your ski gears, ice skates, boots, helmets, hockey sticks, and more. It can be installed on any solid surface outdoors and indoors. In addition to that, this rack organizer won't rust, break, or rot over time because it is made from a high-quality metal frame. Some protective padded hooks stop gears from getting disfigured, marred, or scratched. This rack organizer takes less space in your garage or storage room. It will keep your gear in a safe place where you will have no hassle in retrieval. What's more, the rack is mold, mildew resistant, and will not rot when it is exposed to water. And finally at number 1, we have the Ruff Rack 4-8 Snowboard and Ski Rack. If you are searching for a ski rack that you can use to keep all your boards, this one from Ruff Rack might be your best bet. It is made from welded powder-coated steel materials, and it can hold 8 pair of skis or 8 snowboards. This ski rack is perfect for holding all shapes of skis, poles, snowshoes, snowboards, and more. Other than that, it is perfect for both commercial and home use, including garage, ski shops, home and maintenance facilities. It can hold more than 100 pounds of winter gear you need to store. Setting up this ski rack is very easy as all the mounting instructions are included. This model will cater to all gears irrespective of the make or design. It will also organize your boards in an overhead space, thus saving you room and floor space with this unit. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.